Hello students, welcome back. This is my 20th class on the topic hydrocarbons. Last class we were discussing some of the basics of benzene, what are the physical properties, how we can prepare benzene and all. We have studied in last class, okay. So in today's class, let us start with chemical properties. Chemical properties. What are the chemical properties or which type of reaction benzene will undergo? Mainly benzene will undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Remember this, mainly it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Sometimes it also undergoes addition reaction. But the main reaction for benzene ring is electrophilic substitution reaction. It involves a mechanism. First let us study the general mechanism of this. After that let us study the mechanism one by one, or let us study the reaction one by one, okay. First is mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction. The mechanism mainly involves three steps. The mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene mainly involves how many steps? Three steps. First step is generation of electrophile. Generation of electrophile. Generation of electrophile is the first step in mechanism of electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. Next, second step is formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation by the attack of electrophile. Electrophile will attack on benzene ring, which results in the formation of carbocation. And third last step is deprotonation. Deprotonation. You should remember these three steps. So this first step will be different for different electrophilic substitution reaction. That means generation of electrophile will be different. But for formation of carbocation and deprotonation reaction, it will be same. Okay, adradu now general agi baribodu, but we cannot write general for this generation of electrophile. I will tell you that while explaining each reaction. Okay, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು reaction ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ electrophile generate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Now let us study general example for formation of carbocation and deprotonation reaction. Okay, first is formation of carbocation. How the carbocation will be formed? I have a benzene ring. I have a benzene ring. Okay, it will be attacked by electrophile. Electrophile ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? benzene ring ಮೇಲೆ attack ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. electrophile ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? electron loving species. electron ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? it should contain positive charge. E plus is an electrophile. This is an electrophile, electron loving species. Benzene ring is electron rich. Benzene ring ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ electrons ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophile is a compound. There are two types of electrophiles: positively charged electrophiles and neutral electrophiles. So this is positively charged electrophile. What it will do is, so electron cloud here will attack on this electrophile. Electron cloud ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ attack ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? You will get a carbocation. Benzene ring here attached to E and one hydrogen. Here carbocation formation will take place. This bond will break. Electrons will move to this electrophile. Electrophile will take these electrons and it forms a bond over here. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? delocalization of electron is removed. So this carbocation is stabilized by resonance. Carbocation formation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ carbocation, it will be more stable when it is stabilized by resonance. ರೆಸೋನೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟೆಬಿಲೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್. So this carbocation is stabilized by resonance. How? I'll write the structure C. So this is the structure, hydrogen E, positive charge. This electrons will move here, which creates a positive charge on this carbon atom, like this. Double bond, sorry. Here double bond, this electrons will move here, which creates a positive charge over here, and hydrogen and E as it is. In next step what will happen? This bond will move here, which creates a positive charge on this carbon atom. So you will get a structure like this. Hydrogen, electrophile, and double bond here, and this double bond as it is, and positive charge on this carbon atom. So delocalization of electron will take place. Here delocalization of electrons will be there. This carbocations is stabilized by resonance. So we can write the resonance hybrid like this. Benzene ring, positive charge is delocalized on all the carbon atoms except this one, hydrogen E, like this. Carbocation is stabilized by resonance. I hope you understood this. If you understand this general mechanism, you can easily write all other mechanisms. So pay attention here. First ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, electrophile ಹೋಗಿ benzene ring ಗೆ attack ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, or benzene ring will attack on electrophile. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ electron rich center, electron deficient center ಮೇಲೆ attack ಮಾಡೋದು, ಓಕೆನಾ? So benzene ring, electrons in benzene ring will attack on this electrophile, which leads to the formation of carbocation. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ರೆಸೋನೆನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್, ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫಿಲಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೈಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಲ್ಫೋನೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಸೈಲೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಕೈಲೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, 100% ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಲರ್ನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್, ಓಕೆ? ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ದಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗ್. Attack of electrophile, first second step, which leads to the formation of carbocation. This carbocation is stabilized by resonance. I can write the resonance hybrid like this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, this carbon is electron deficient, so it withdraws this electrons. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So this carbon will attain positive charge. Sorry, to neutralize this positive charge, this electrons will come here, which forms a positive charge on this carbon atom. So carbocation is stabilized by resonance. This is the resonance hybrid structure. This is second step, formation of carbocation, which is stabilized by resonance. And third step is deprotonation or removal of proton. So in that step, I'll rub this. What will happen? See, this H, E and plus. Earlier there was a delocalization of electron in benzene ring. Here the delocalization stops because this sp2 hybrid carbon atom will turn into sp3 hybrid carbon atom. sp2 hybrid carbon ಇರೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ sp3 ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಡಿಲೋಕಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಟು ಅಟೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿಲೋಕಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಲೂಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್, H+ ಅಯಾನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, H+ ಅಯಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್. So you will get a compound like this. Electrophile will be substituted plus H+. This H+ will go with Lewis acids. ನಾವು ಯಾವ Lewis AlCl3 ಇರಬಹುದು, FeCl3 ಇರಬಹುದು, ಯಾವ Lewis acid ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ H+ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, so this is the reaction. ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉಳಿದ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ nitration. First reaction is nitration. In nitration reaction, benzene will react with mixture of concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3. So this mixture, benzene, it will react with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. So the mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 is called nitrating mixture. This reaction will takes place at 323 to 233 Kelvin temperature. Benzene will react with concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 at 323 to 333 Kelvin temperature to give nitrobenzene. To give nitrobenzene, NO2. Nitrobenzene formation will take place plus H2O. This is the reaction. So this is nitration reaction, one of the very important reaction. Benzene will react with nitrating mixture, that is mixture of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4 at 323 to 333 Kelvin temperature to form nitrobenzene. Nitrobenzene. This reaction is called as nitration or nitration of benzene. Now let us study the mechanism of this. Mechanism. I have told you mechanism involves 3 steps. In that first step is generation of electrophile. Electrophile generate agbeku. How the electrophile will be generated? Here H2SO4 will react with HNO3. H2SO4. This is H2SO4. I have written it like this. It will react with HNO3. NO2OH. HNO3. So the lone pair of electrons on this oxygen will take away this hydrogen and this will move here. This is H2SO4 and this is HNO3. The lone pair of electrons on this oxygen will take away this hydrogen and this will move on this. So you will get a compound like this, HSO4 minus plus OH plus NO2. This protonated nitric acid, what it will do is HOH plus NO2. It will loses a water molecule. Water molecule will be eliminated from here. It loses a water molecule to form NO2 plus H2O. So this is our required electrophile. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ electrophile ಇದು. What will happen in first step, that is generation of electrophile? H2SO4 and HNO3 will react to form NO2 plus, that is electrophile. ನೀವು ಈ ತರನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ HNO3 plus H2SO4 which gives HSO4 minus plus NO2 plus H2O ಈ ತರನಾದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಯಾವ ತರ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್. ನನಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, NO2+. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಯಾವುದು? attack of electrophile to form carbocation. Formation of carbocation is my next step. So in next step what will happen? This will attack on, in second step is I'll write here only, okay, or shall I rub this? Okay, I'll rub this. So I got my electrophile. In next step, this electrophile, in second step, electrophile will attack on benzene ring. This is benzene ring. It will react with NO2+. Electrophile ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? benzene ring attack ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ like this. It will attack on electrophiles, leads to the formation of carbocation. NO2 positive charge. This carbocation is stabilized by resonance. This is resonance stabilized carbocation like this. I have shown you while explaining the general mechanism. NO2 positive charge. This will move here, which leads to the formation of carbocation on this carbon atom. NO2 double bond. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕ್ಯಾಟಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ NO2. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ರೆಸೋನೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ 3 ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. Plus NO2 positive charge will be delocalized on all the carbon atoms like this. This is resonance hybrid. So this carbocation is stabilized by resonance. So no need to just understand this while writing an examination. No need to write this resonance, that is stabilization of this carbocation by resonance. Okay, just only write this one. First generation of electrophile. Second one is formation of carbocation by the attack of electrophile on benzene. Okay, next third step is deprotonation. Third step is deprotonation. In deprotonation what will happen? That carbocation formed to attain its delocalization, which is more stable structure, it will loses a proton. Here in the first step I have shown you while that HSO4 minus will be formed during the formation of electrophile. I got HSO4 minus. Okay, I'll write the reaction. Remember this, HNO3 will react with H2SO4 to form HSO4 minus plus NO2 plus H2O. This HSO4 minus formed, HSO4 minus formed will take away this hydrogen and this bond will move here. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ನೈಟ್ರೋಬೆನ್ಝೀನ್ NO2 plus H2SO4. This is the complete reaction. First is this is first step, generation of generation of electrophile. After the generation of electrophile, what will happen? Attack of electrophile. Second step is attack of formation of carbocation as an intermediate by the attack of electrophile, and third step is deprotonation. This is one of the very important reaction, nitration. Okay, so these are 3 steps involved in nitration. Next is halogenation. Next reaction is halogenation reaction. Same steps here also. This is also electrophilic substitution reaction. Next is halogenation. Benzene will react with halogen in the presence of anhydrous acids like anhydrous aluminium chloride or anhydrous FeCl3 and all. I'll take anhydrous aluminium chloride AlCl3, Lewis acid, in the presence of Lewis acid to form halo substituted. Here it is chlorobenzene plus HCl. This is the reaction, halogenation of benzene. Benzene will react with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride, that is Lewis acid, to form chlorobenzene. This is halogenation reaction. So what will happen in mechanism? First step is generation of electrophile. Electrophile should be generated. What will happen here? First step is generation of electrophile. In generation of electrophile, Cl2 will react with AlCl3. Cl2 will react with AlCl3, which leads to the formation of Cl plus AlCl4 minus. So now this is our required electrophile, Cl plus. Cl plus is our required electrophile. This is chloronium ion. Chloronium ion, which is our required electrophile. In next step, what will happen? In second step, attack of electrophile or formation of carbocation. Benzene ring will attack on that one. Benzene ring, it will attack on this electrophile. So what will happen? You will get a carbocation. Resonance stabilized carbocation formation will take place. Hydrogen Cl, positive charge over here. So this carbocation is stabilized by resonance. Same structures. You can write it by your own. Okay, try to write them. And third step is deprotonation. Carbocation formed, the sp3 hybrid carbon atom loses a proton. Here see AlCl4 minus is there. What it will do is that AlCl4 minus, from AlCl4 minus one chlorine will go to this, it will take this hydrogen and this will go here, and one chlorine will take this hydrogen, and you will get chlorobenzene plus AlCl3 plus HCl. This is the reaction. This is halogenation of benzene. We have studied two electrophilic substitution reactions, that is nitration and halogenation. We have left with sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts acylation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation, which we can study in next class. This is very important. Practice and try to write without seeing it. Definitely 3 marks question will arise from this. They can ask any one of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Only first step is different, that is generation of electrophile is different. All other steps are same. Okay, let's continue in next class. Thank you.